Okay. So here's one of the plaques that still remains. So this plaque here that you can read is talking about different adaptations that California plants have in order to fight drought. So one thing that plants have is a waxy cuticle, okay? So this helps them not lose as much water. What are other ways that plants stop from evaporating a lot of water out of their leaves?
Stomata.
Doing what? Right, they can close their stomata, so some of them close their stomata during the day and just open them at night. Some of them just have smaller leaves so that they don't lose a lot of water. So again, like we said in the desert, modified small leaves. Let's see what else it says. Many plants resist drought. Evergreen leaves are tough and have a thick waxy coat. Examples are coastal live oak, manzanitas. The surface oil dries in late spring and summer. Seedlings of plants such as chemise and oak develop a rapidly growing taproot. That's another thing that is good. Okay, taproot. Which has taproot? Monocot or dicot? Dicot. A taproot goes really far down so that it can get the groundwater that's way under there. Okay. So note the waxy cuticle, taproot, smaller leaves. Let's see what else. Annuals such as meadow foam complete their life cycle before summer. So some of them do this so that in summer they don't have to use as much energy. Okay. Their seeds survive in the soil and sprout during the next rainy season. Bulbs and rhizomes store food and water underground. The plant's foliage dies back each late summer and sprouts again with the winter rains. Blah, blah, blah. Drought deciduous plants conserve water by dropping their leaves. Okay, so that's another way. Dropping their leaves. So deciduous plants drop their leaves so that they won't be losing a lot of water through evaporation during the summer droughts. These plants are called drought deciduous to distinguish them from winter deciduous plants, such as black oak, which lose their leaves in response to cold and shorter days. So most plants we think of drop their leaves when? In the fall, right? But these kind of plants drop their leaves in the summer, so they are conserving water. So there's a difference between just regular and the drought deciduous. Many plants and seeds survive wildflower. New foliage sprouts near the base of the charred trunks. Coast redwoods and scrub oaks are examples of plants that stump sprout. Seeds are sprout by heat or ashes. Examples are the poppy and most species of Cenosus. I don't know. So a lot of plants, they are stimulated by heat, whether they're going to sprout their seeds. Okay. Water conservation, gardening with native plants. Let's see what you need to know. Drought years have reduced the availability of water. Water can also be saved by decreasing evaporation from the soil surface. A blanket of, they're teaching you. A blanket of organic mulch. So this is how you can keep in the water. Put some mulch down. Drought-tolerant plants need little or no summer water once they're established. And what's our state flower? Anybody know? The California poppy. And we usually have a bunch here. I can only see one right there. So that orange flower, it's legal to pick them because they're our state flower. My girls do it all the time in the garden. They're like, "Woo, we're gonna go to jail." I think it's okay if it's in your own garden. So know some of the drought-resistant aspects of plants.